Thinking about using the law of attraction to manifest your dreams? Don't even think about it until you know these crucial facts. The law of attraction is incredibly powerful, but there are key principles you need to understand before you start using it. Welcome to Mystica Finance, where we bridge the cosmos and cash flow to help you unlock your financial potential. So, before you dive in, stay tuned, because this might just change the way you approach manifesting your dreams. In today's video, we're going to reveal the common mistakes that can sabotage your success, the truth behind how the law of attraction really works, and how you can use it effectively to achieve your financial goals. So, before you dive in, stay tuned, because this might just change the way you approach manifesting your dreams. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest wealth-building tips. Common misconceptions about the law of attraction. Let's start by clearing up some common misconceptions about the law of attraction. Misconception number 1. Just thinking about what you want will make it happen. While positive thinking is a crucial part of the process, it's not enough on its own. Your thoughts need to be paired with belief and action. Misconception number 2. You don't need to take action. This is a big one. The law of attraction isn't a magic wand. It's a tool that works best when you're actively pursuing your goals. Misconception number 3. The universe will automatically give you what you want. The truth is, the universe responds to the energy you put out. But that energy has to be aligned with your thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's about creating a synergy between what you want and what you do to achieve it. The truth behind the law of attraction. Now that we've cleared up some misconceptions, let's talk about the truth behind the law of attraction. First, it's all about alignment. The law of attraction works best when your mindset, beliefs, and actions are fully aligned with your goals. It's not just about thinking positively. It's about believing at your core that you deserve what you're asking for and acting as if it's already on its way. Second, let's talk about vibration and energy. Your emotional state plays a huge role in what you attract. When you're feeling positive, excited, and grateful, you're vibrating at a frequency that attracts more of the same. On the other hand, negative emotions like doubt, fear, or anger can block your progress and attract unwanted outcomes. Finally, there's the role of subconscious beliefs. You might be consciously focused on abundance, but if your subconscious is filled with limiting beliefs about money or success, those beliefs will sabotage your efforts. That's why it's crucial to reprogram your subconscious mind to align with your goals. The biggest mistakes people make with the law of attraction. Even with the best intentions, many people make critical mistakes when trying to use the law of attraction. Mistake number 1. Ignoring the importance of taking inspired action. You can't just sit back and wait for things to happen. You need to actively pursue your goals. The law of attraction amplifies your efforts, but it requires you to take the first step. Mistake number 2. Focusing on what you don't want. This is more common than you might think. If your mind is constantly occupied with fears, doubts, or thoughts of what could go wrong, you're actually attracting more of those negative outcomes. It's crucial to focus on what you want, not what you fear. Mistake number 3. Lack of patience and consistency. Manifesting your desires takes time, and many people give up too soon. The key is to stay consistent with your thoughts, actions, and beliefs, even when results aren't immediate. Trust the process and keep your energy aligned with your goals. How to use the law of attraction effectively. Now that we've covered the mistakes to avoid, let's talk about how you can use the law of attraction effectively. Step 1. Get clear on what you want. Be specific and detailed about your goals. The clearer you are, the easier it is to align your thoughts and actions with them. Step 2. Visualize and feel the success. Don't just picture your goals. Immerse yourself in the emotions of having already achieved them. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the gratitude as if your success is already here. Step 3. Take inspired, aligned action. This means acting on the opportunities that resonate with your goals. It could be a small step or a big leap, but the key is to move in the direction of your dreams. Step 4. Stay consistent and patient. Remember, the law of attraction is a process. Keep your thoughts, actions, and energy aligned with your goals and trust that the results will come in their own time. By following these steps, you can harness the full power of the law of attraction to manifest the life you desire. In today's video, we uncovered the essential truths about the law of attraction and the common pitfalls that can hold you back. By understanding these principles and applying them correctly, you can turn the law of attraction into a powerful tool for manifesting wealth and success. Now it's time to take action. Start by getting clear on your goals, visualizing your success, and taking inspired steps that align with your dreams. Remember, consistency and belief are key. Stay patient and trust the process. We'd love to hear how you plan to use the law of attraction in your life. Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest wealth building tips. Thank you for watching Mystica Finance, where we bridge the cosmos and cash flow. Until next time, keep unlocking your financial potential.